Okay, I cannot begin to tell you how ecstatic I am for what just came and what that means for North by Southeast. So it just shipped in. So this is a laser etcher cutter. Now, it's a little bit older, but it is a 10 watt. So I'm gonna open it on camera and let you see what's in here. I can't wait to get started with this guy. I feel like I'm doing one of these unboxing videos, which is not really the point. But let's put that down. Some cool stickers. So this is this CR Laser Falcon by Creality. That operations guide. Now they've got a newer model, which is why I was able to get this on a frickin' steal from Amazon right now. But laser, power source, some sample wood, all right, the rails, the belts, the glasses, which I hear are really important. This whole thing should come out together. All right, control system. All the nuts and bolts you need to take the cable up out of the way, and the legs. I'll come back when I got it put together. I hear it's only supposed to be 20 minutes. I don't know if that's true. Let's find out. So that is it assembled. I will say that the instructions were tiny, hence the glasses. I would also say that I really wish that they had put some labeling a little bit on here. Once it's put together, it's obvious where it goes, but I had to take the legs off 3 different times because I obviously didn't catch the details in the tiny little picture. However, I am so ecstatic to get this started. I am going to try out some stuff a little bit later. I'm about to leave on vacation, so I'm not going to get a chance to actually burn some stuff for about a week. But once I do, I cannot wait to show you what we're going to be doing. And this is going to be so exciting for North by Southeast. So I hope you enjoyed this video putting it together.